Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can clear the cache for your Microsoft Edge web browser. For example, if you'd like to improve your browser's performance overall or fix performance issues by clearing your cached images and files here on browser. So drop a like and now let us get started. Now doing this is actually fairly simple, and clearing your cached files and images is something you should do frequently because, as I previously mentioned, this may improve your browser's performance overall. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on these three dots here in the home tab of Edge and simply click on delete browsing data here, or use the shortcut Control-Shift-Delete, and after that you will be redirected to that window here. So what you want to do here, guys, is select cached images and files from that list of browsing data below. You may also delete other features or parts of your browsing data if you like your browsing history, download history, cookies, etc., etc. That's optional, guys. I leave it up to you, but for the sake of this tutorial, let me just select the box here next to cached images and files and unselect the remaining parts, just like that. And once you're ready, simply select your time range here, like for example the browsing data and the cached files from the last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. And in the final step, confirm by clicking on Clear Now and let Edge delete your cached images and files to free up space in your browser storage. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.